we're gonna make to another one. Do we know what time it is? Actually, I don't know either, but just time to look. Let's see time. One spot. Wait the other. I don't know. That's very surprising. I guess let's find it. You, buddy, are gonna be replaced by probably later. That's ready. Son of a delivery. Did photos. But still. No tripping. Here, guys, come on. Hello. Say hello.
What's up, guys?
Another video. Time to play some hide and seek to find the package. It's the day y'all been waiting for. I think. It might be Tuesday because I have to edit this, but besides the point. Hey mom. Do we want to do like hot and cold?
Yeah.
Alright. A little bit. Aww. Yeah, I'm not sure why I turned this on.
Colder.
Warmer. Oh, I think I have a feeling I know where it is. Nope, I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm gonna need some light, bro. There it is, guys. I don't know what time it is. It's not over anticipating. I trust this. That's fine too. As I don't have to result in getting a band-aid in the next couple minutes. And the process of cutting this. We're fine. Flashbacks. That's why, I had to get a baby.
So use this sharp point. This way.
Like this way?
Yeah. There you go.
It's ready. First it has the, first order BRK thing. You can see. I was gonna do it. Yeah. I think it was this way, so I don't cut my fingers off. Something like that. First order BRK brands, I think that said earlier. Oh, check this out. Yeah. Yep. Joe Battle Boulevard Classic. Later, I'll probably record a second part, or possibly tomorrow, whichever you want to do. Well, check out that one, and show you the differences, like, in appearance. Because, why not? Shall we? Yeah, this was supposed to come out yesterday, but my package got delayed, so. Oh my gosh, why is there so much packaging? Dude, it's a box inside a box inside a box inside a box. Okay? Here's the arm. Here's the yellow arm, I'll say. Here's the policy manual. Alright. Moment you've officially been waiting for. Smoke alarm. Let's see. I'm not gonna worry about like messing with it too much right now, but let's see. First order SMI 100, of course, because the 9120B, I guess they don't support it anymore. Jeez, that's just sad. Just because I kind of do get a little queasy sometimes. Let me show you that. I am gonna go do this outside and do this with both headphones because I do not like noises that are 80 plus decibels. Absolute earpiece piercing. So we're going to go outside and do this part. Emma, you wanna come here real quick?
No, Ashley's outside doing something.
Oh, I kind of, because it's kind of a little loud for me.
No, you can do it in the front.
Bring it in the front. Let's go outside. Right. Say hi to the new baby. Hey Mom, do you want to come out in a second and watch me do the honors with battery? So first we're going to see what kind of battery they gave me because I know they give out. Oh, are these yours? Oh, little ticket. Do you want to do the honors or do you want me? GP, of course. I guess, because it always has to be. Oh, I can't shut that. It's really hard stuff to do. Sure, because my ears are gonna